See what we got in here. All right, come here.
Ready?
You ready? Whoa, stay right here. Stay right here. No, come right here. Now look at your mom. Okay. Let's see. Whoa, look at that. How about that? How about that? What's yours?
What do you say, Santa?
Thank you.
Oh, look. There you go. How about that? Get that. This is a little early Christmas gift. Just tell you how much I love you. Okay? Because y'all been real good.
That's a reindeer.
Yeah. Now we got something else in here. We're not through. We're not through.
That's Rudolph.
Okay, we got something else. Let's see if I'm finding. Whoa. Y'all don't like candy, do you?
We do.
Oh.
We like candy.
How about that?
What's that kind of candy?
This is right. Marshmallow Sandy. Santa. Chocolate marshmallow Santa. Now, if you don't like it, I know somebody else will like it.
I like it.
Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at that. It's for you.
What are you going to say, Santa?
Thank you.
Okay, wait a minute.
Wait, he's not done?
We're not through. Now, I got one more.
This is Rudolph.
Look at that.
Candy.
How about this?
What'd you say?
Now, you got to promise me something. You got to promise me something. You won't eat all these at one time. Okay? Just a few a day. What you could do, you could just break it down and eat just a few till Christmas Day. Okay? Divide it out so it's Christmas Day and you finish it. Or maybe the day after.
Mm-hmm. That'd be good, huh?
See, you don't want a lot of candy at one time, isn't that right?
If you eat it all at once, you'll get a bad tummy ache, right?
How about that? Now, does somebody play the piano in this house?
Say, Mommy does, right?
Mommy does it.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy does it.
Daddy plays among them.
Do y'all know any? Do y'all know
I
any?
know how to play.
You do? Do you know any songs?
Do you want to play a song for Santa, Ty?
Can you play me a song?
What's
You
this
can
kind
play
of candy? What's this kind of candy, Jenna? What's this kind of candy?
This is. It's M&M.
Oh, no, I like this. I
Can
like
you?
this.
Can you play? Oh, I want to hear you play.
Oh.
It's okay, start over.
Wow, wonderful. That's good. That's good job. All
I
right.
got
How
to
about
play that.
that?
I got to play that by myself.
Do you want to try it?
Yes.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, I tried to Santa.
Okay, we'll hold it right here. I'll hold it.
Let's try Santa. ABC. Oh, no, like that. I can't use that. It's then. Okay. Do ABC. A.
Good job, Zoe. Good job. Woo!
No, you play the piano. You play it.
Well, that was very, very nice of Santa, wasn't it?
Oh,
That's
I like it.
Okay. Now, we got to do one more thing. Okay? Can we do one more thing?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to put your things down now. And I know you want to go put them over there on the sofa. Just put them
Here,
down.
put 'em right here.
Yes, you think? Okay.
We have a girl.
Okay.
A girl
Here's
named
what-
Candy.
Is it? Okay. Now here's what I need. Each of you, I need something from you. Santa likes this, okay? You stay right there for a minute, one at a time, okay? I like hugs. Do you know how to give a hug? You don't? Yes, you can give a hug. Put your arm around your neck. And you look at your mom.